Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can fix the no sound or no audio issue in the Opera browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, let me launch Opera browser on my device for demonstration purposes, and there are several possible solutions to this. Step number one, what you want to do is make sure that the given website here open in a specific tab on Opera browser has not been muted, for example, by muting the given tab. You can check this by right-clicking into the given tab, and you will see that option here, mute tab, as well as mute other tabs. So if the given tab and thus the website you're visiting through the tab has been muted, you will see an option unmute. There you go. Now I've muted it, so I'm going to unmute it. And you can also do the same for all other tabs that are open, mute and unmute other tabs. So with that out of the way, let us focus on option or step number two, and that would be to check your audio settings on your device. So first of all, make sure that your audio has not been disabled or muted on your device. To do that, click into that speaker icon in the bottom right corner, and if you left click into it, you will see, for example, these audio sources. So make sure that, for example, the system audio or Opera, if Opera is listed here as an open application, as well as your speakers, that none of these have been muted, because if you mute them by clicking into them, you will see that icon indicating that the given audio source, be it your system, your speakers, or the given application, have been muted. So in that case, unmute it. And what you want to do after that, step number three, would be to check if you accidentally haven't removed the permission to send audio or sound for specific websites here in Opera browser. So to do that, navigate to your browser settings, click into that Opera icon in the top left, select settings here, and in your browser settings, navigate to privacy and security. Here in privacy and security, click into site settings. Next, what you want to do is scroll down, and here under permissions, what you want to do is click into additional permissions, expand it if needed, and then scroll down and you will see the sound permissions here under additional content settings. So what you want to do is click into it, and then you will see that that sounds can be played in general on sites. So make sure that this option here stays enabled and that you don't choose this one, because that is going to block the sound basically for any website you visit here on Opera. And also make sure that the website you're listening to, for example, has not been placed on that list of exceptional rules of behavior to have their sound blocked. So make sure that this site is not added here. If it is added to that list, remove it. You will see a remove button here on the right hand side, or three dots, and remove. So to make sure and to ensure that the sound is played on the given site. And that's it, guys. That's the 3 steps or possible solutions to this issue. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.